Hi, my name is Stephanie Robbins and I am the president and CEO of Robbins Plumbing here in Phoenix, Arizona. And the quick topic I want to cover with you is really about water heater cleaning, which sounds weird, but your water heater, no matter what kind you have, has to be maintained annually in order for it to perform optimally. And well, who wants to clean their water heater all the time? How do you even clean your water heater? Well, we have videos on that, but there are preemptive things that you can do to extend how long it is between cleanings and really extend the lifespan of your water heater. Not everyone in the country suffers with hard water the way Arizona does. And we really do suffer. If you look at any faucet, go to a restaurant, probably your house, you're gonna see all that mineral buildup. That's called scale. So what I want to encourage you and educate you to do today is to get a descaler. So in my blog on this video, there's my favorite descaler, and it's a Nuvo descaler. But a descaler will do worlds of wonder for your water heater. If you have a tankless water heater, you know that I want you to maintain it. If you have a tank style water heater, you absolutely need to maintain it too. But I literally have a video on if you bought a tankless water heater, do not buy a tankless water heater if you're not going to maintain it. Just hand me the money and we'll walk away, because that's what's going to happen. It's going to work for a hot minute. Scale in your water heater is the destroyer of water heaters. So there are descalers out there. Don't confuse a descaler with a carbon filter. That's for chlorine and chemicals. You want a descaler. So the Nuvo one, which is my personal and professional favorite, I'm gonna just say that out loud. It actually is like a miniature Nuvo, but you don't need to have a water softener loop. It's only going to be on the hot side. It's gonna really, really extend the lifespan of your water heater. We have a ton of information on that on our website. But every time a client puts in a tankless or a water heater and they don't have any kind of water treatment, I'm like, hello, have you heard of this? Because a water heater is an investment and we want it to pay off long term. I will give you one word of warning. If you have a salt softener, be really cautious of what kind of descaler you put on your system, because salt systems don't always work well with other systems. They don't always play nice together, kind of like you wouldn't expect to be able to put an iPhone on a different kind of phone charger. Just those are the things. They don't play well together. They're like little enemies. So we want to make sure that your water is still healthy and safe and doing what it's supposed to do. So if you would like to extend the lifespan of your water heater, you notice all that scale on your faucets, that kind of thing, it's probably time to really talk about water treatment, which is what my team excels at. We are really passionate about water quality because we are running around here all the time saying, let's fix the water that broke it, which is probably not the best thing because your broken plumbing makes me money. Weird, but there it is. We really do want to fix the water that's breaking your plumbing system, and there are lots of ways to do that. So if you are in the market for something like that, or you have questions about it, of course you can reach out to us at 623-486-4657 on our website at robinsplumbing.com. You can drop a little chat, or you can send an email through there. But of course, you can trust my team to come out and give you a great consultation on the options available to you based on your system, what's on it, and get some problem solving going. Because fix the water that broke it. Descaling is important, just saying.